everybody, Dr. Eleanor Boris here, chiropractor from Southeastern Active Health. I had a patient come in today uncomfortable with the thought of being manipulated or cracked. Although this technique is safe, I'll only use therapies that you are comfortable with. In this sort of situation, we can use alternative treatment techniques to release your stiff joints. Some of these include joint mobilization or stretching, or sometimes I'll use a low-force instrument called an activator. In the end, I'm here to get the best results for you guys, which ultimately means choosing the right techniques that you are most comfortable with. Just let us know, we're happy to accommodate. See you at the clinic soon.